Why leave money on the table when you can offer irresistible deals to your customers? We'll show you how to set up coupons and discounts in Magento 2. From the left menu, go to Marketing and under Promotions. Click on Cart Price Rules. Next, click Add New Rule. Enter the rule name. Set the status to active. Select Specific Coupon in the coupon field if you want customers to use a code. Now scroll to the Conditions tab. Use the Rule Builder to define when the discount applies. For instance, you can create a rule for specific product categories. Then head to the Actions tab to set the discount type, like a percentage or fixed amount, and specify the discount value. Once all fields are complete, click Save. And there you have it. At NeoSolax, we specialize in e-commerce solutions that drive results. Visit neosolax.com or email us at sales@neosolax.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips.